Hello students, today we'll do exercise 1.2 from the chapter Relations and Functions. Show that the function f r asterisk to r asterisk defined by f of x is equal to 1 by x is 1 to 1 and onto. So we have to prove this function f of x is equal to 1 by x is 1 to 1 and onto, where the r asterisk is a set of all non-zero real numbers. Is the result true if the domain is replaced by n with the codomain being same as r? The function f is from r asterisk to r asterisk. F of x is given as 1 by x. We have to prove it is 1 to 1 and onto. So what is a 1 to 1 function? When will you say a function is 1 to 1? Sets, suppose if you have two sets A and B. Suppose A has x1, x2, x3 and B you have y1, B has y1, y2, y3, the set B. A and B are two sets. Different elements of A have different images. That means if you take two elements x1, x2, different elements, they should have different images. This is what you have learned as a 1 to 1 function. So how do you prove a function is 1 to 1? We have to take two different elements. Then you have to assume that if f of x is equal to f of x2, then you have to prove that x1 is equal to x2. This is the algorithm we are going to use to prove 1 to 1. Now when will you say a function is onto? Onto function is when the codomain is equal to the range, a function is said to be 1 to 1. So how do you prove it? So take any element y belongs to b, y belongs to b. Then you have to prove that there exists for every y belongs to b, there exists an x in A such that f of x is equal to y. So this is how we are going to prove a given function is onto. We have to prove the codomain is equal to range. For that we have to obtain x in terms of y. You have to write x in terms of y. Usually y will be given in terms of x. You have to change x in terms of y. Then you have to prove f of x is equal to y. This is what you are going to prove. So let us prove this function f of x is equal to 1 by x. So this first you are going to prove it is 1 to 1. So let us take x1, x2, let belongs to r. Let x1, x2 belong to r. So r asterisk actually, that means x1 and x2 are non-zero real numbers. x1 and x2 are non-zero real numbers. So we have taken like this. Now we are going to use this algorithm. F of x1 is equal to f of x2 if, that means different images, 1 by x1 is equal to 1 by x2. This means x2 is equal to x1 or x1 is equal to x2. x1 is equal to x2. Therefore the function is 1 to 1. We have proved that function is 1 to 1. Now we have to prove it is onto. So to prove onto, the algorithm is see the function is y is 1 by x, isn't it? So you write x now. See the thing is you have to write in terms of x. So x is x in terms of y. So x is 1 by y. The relation is from r, that is from minus infinity to plus infinity. You will not have 0. Okay, the 0 is not there. And here minus, again this is same thing, r infinity up to infinity, and 0 is not there up to infinity. So this is given. This is what is given. Now every y belongs, any number you take, any y belongs to R, can you find its reciprocal here? Only then we can say the function is on 2. Any real number you take, its reciprocal should be here. Is it true? Yes. If you take any number, because it's a set of real numbers and 0 is not there, so it is true. Or that means you have to prove that there, for every y belongs to R, we have to prove that there exists an x such that x is equal to 1 by y, f of x is equal to y. F of x is equal to y. You have to prove that f of x is equal to y. F of what is x? F of 1 by y. Now you have to prove it is equal to y. So f of what is the function given? F of x is equal to 1 by x. Just replace x by 1 by y. The function f of x is 1 by x. So what will be f of 1 by y? 1 by 1 by y. What is this equal to? Y. So we have proved that f of 1 by y is equal to y. That means we have proved the codomain is equal to the range. Is equal to the range. So that for every element there is a, nothing is left out. Everything has a pre-image. Every element has a pre-image. So that is onto function. Therefore the function is onto. So that is the question. Prove it is 1-to-1 and onto. So the function is bijective. So the f is from R asterisk R is bijective. Bijective means it is 1-to-1 and onto. Now suppose the question, second part of the question is, if the domain is replaced by n. If the domain, that is the function is from n, natural number to R. If the function is from n to R asterisk. So the domain is natural number and this is R asterisk. So 0 is not there. So now if it is 1-to-1. If I take 1, what is it? The function is, what is the function here? The function f of x is 1 by x. So now if I take 1, reciprocal of 1 is 1. Take 2, reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. 3, 1 by 3. So all these numbers, different elements you take, you have different images. Different elements of natural numbers will have different. So it is 1-to-1. It is very clear that the function is 1-to-1. We'll prove it also. The function is 1-to-1 because different elements will have different images. The codomain is not equal to the range. Why? So the range is starting from 1. Isn't it? The range is starting from 1. But codomain is up all these numbers, real number, that is the codomain. But range is only from 1. The range is only these numbers. So these numbers are left out. All these negative numbers are all left out. All negative numbers, all these numbers are all, so many numbers are left out. Isn't it? Not only these, in between 0, in between 1 and half. So many numbers are there. So 3 by 4. In reciprocal 4 by 3 is not there. These negative numbers and also the real numbers in between are all left out. That is very clear. Codomain is not equal to range. So the function is not onto. It is 1-to-1 but. So the function is not onto. It is 1-to-1. You can easily say it is 1-to-1. Why it is 1-to-1? If I take x1, x2 belongs to the natural numbers. x1, x2 belongs to n. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. You will get 1 by x1 is equal to 1 by x2 That means x1 is x2. So the function is 1 to 1. It is not on 2 because what is the reason? When you take a y belongs to R asterisk, there doesn't exist, you cannot find, doesn't exist x, isn't it? X is equal to, what is x actually? 1 by y, because it is belongs to n. 1 by y is not a natural number. So every element, only x, for every element y belongs to R, we are not able to find an x is equal to 1 by y such that f of x is equal to y. Okay, so codomain is not equal to range. So the function is not on 2. Thank you.